Hi guys, how are you? This is me Samaysar Jain. Well, just a casual video. The languages I know, okay? I mean, I'm just going to say a few sentences in all the languages which I know. So first thing, I'll start with English as it is. Hello. Now in Kannada, Namaskaragalu. In Hindi, Namaskar. And in Bahasa Indonesia, hello, Halo, hello. Okay, so in English it's hello, in Kannada it is Namaskaragalu, in Hindi it is Namaskar, and in Bahasa Indonesia, which is Indonesian language, it is hello, Halo, hello. Now, in English, how are you? In Kannada, ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀಯಾ or ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ. In Kannada, when you talk to someone who is at the same age of you, or who is younger than you in age, you can say ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀಯಾ, ಹೇಗೆ ಇದೀಯಾ. But when you talk to someone who is elder to you, always say ಹೇಗೆ ಇದೀರಾ, ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ. It's actually ಹೇಗೆ ಇದೀರಾ, but like when you speak very fast, it will come as ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ. So for someone who is younger than you, ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀಯಾ. For someone who is elder to you, ಹೇಗೆ ಇದೀರಾ, ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ. In Hindi, तुम कैसे हो and आप कैसे हो. In Hindi, as you all know, for people who are younger than you or same age as you, you can say तुम कैसे हो. But for someone who is elder to you, always say आप कैसे हो. And now in Bahasa Indonesia, it is just two words, apa kabar, apa kabar. So how are you, ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀಯಾ or ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ. Then तुम कैसे हो or आप कैसे हो. And in Indonesian language, apa kabar, apa kabar. Now coming to the next sentence, how old are you. In English we say how old are you. In Kannada we say ನಿಂಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ or ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ. When you speak to someone younger than you or for someone who is as the same age as you, you can say ನಿಂಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ. Okay, Ninge, ನಿಂಗೆ, ನಿಂಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ. And when you speak to someone who is elder to you, in Kannada always say ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ. See, for someone who is younger to you or same age as you, you say ನಿಂಗೆ, Ninge, ನಿಂಗೆ. And for someone who is elder to you, you say ನಿಮ್ಗೆ, Nimge, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ, ನಿಂಗೆ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. So for someone who is younger to you or same age as you, ನಿಂಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ. For someone who is elder to you, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ. And now, as you all know, in Hindi, you can say तुम तुम्हारी उम्र कितना है, या फिर आपका उम्र कितना है. ओके, तुम्हारा, तुम्हारा और तुम्हारी उम्र कितना है. और for someone who is elder to you, आपका उम्र कितने हैं. Now speaking in Bahasa Indonesia, when you speak to someone in Bahasa Indonesia, umur kamu berapa, umur kamu berapa. And when you speak to someone who is elder to you, umur anda berapa. Okay, in Indonesian language, when you speak to someone who is younger than you, you can use the word kamu, Kamu, kamu. And when you speak to someone who is when you speak to someone who is elder to you, you can say anda. Okay, and when I say anda, it's not the Hindi meaning anda, not egg. Anda means like how in Hindi we say tum and we say aap. In Kannada we say Neenu and Neevu. For elderly people we say Neevu, and for younger people we say Neenu. And in Hindi we say Tum for younger people, and for elderly people we say Aap. Like that in Bahasa Indonesia, for the younger people we say Kamu, 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 and for elder people we say Anda. So, how old are you? In Kannada, Ninge ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ or निम्गे ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ. And in Hindi, तुम्हारा उम्र कितना है और आपका उम्र कितना है. And finally in Bahasa Indonesia, umur kamu berapa or umur anda berapa. Umur anda berapa. Okay, now what statement? Okay, what did you have for lunch today? In Kannada we say ಊಟಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ತಿಂದ್ರಿ. For someone who is younger than you, you can say ಊಟಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ತಿಂದೆ. ಊಟಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ತಿಂದೆ. And for someone who is elder to you, you should say ಊಟಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ತಿಂದ್ರಿ. For example, if you want to say what did you have for lunch yesterday? So in Kannada we can say ನಿನ್ನೆ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ನೀನು ಊಟಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ತಿಂದೆ. Or in other words, if you're speaking to someone who is elder to you, ನಿನ್ನೆ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ನೀವು ಊಟಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ತಿಂದ್ರಿ. And now in Hindi, as you say, लंच के लिए क्या खाया. कल लंच के लिए क्या खाया था. और स्पीकिंग टू समवन एल्डर टू यू, कल लंच के लिए आपने क्या खाया. एंड इन Bahasa Indonesia, kemarin untuk makanan siang makan apa. What did you have for lunch, or what did you have for lunch yesterday. For what did you have for lunch, you can say hari ini untuk makan di siang makan apa, or makan apa untuk siang. And if you want to say what did you have for lunch yesterday, kemarin means yesterday. Kemarin untuk lunch, sorry, not lunch, why am I bringing English. Kemarin untuk makan di siang makan apa, or kemarin makan apa di siang. This is what did you have for lunch yesterday in Indonesian language. Let's say something else. What do you like to play? ನಿಂಗೆ ಏನು ಆಟ ಆಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟ, or ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಆಟ ಆಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟ. This is in Kannada. What do you like to play? In Kannada we say ನಿಂಗೆ or ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಆಟ ಆಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟ. In Hindi we say आपको क्या खेलना पसंद है. In Indonesian language we say kamu suka main apa, or anda suka main apa. What do you like to play? Okay, so what do you like to play? Once again, in Kannada, ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಆಟ ಆಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಆಟ ಆಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟ. And in Hindi, आपको क्या खेलना पसंद है. And in Indonesian language, kamu suka main apa, or anda suka main apa. This. And yes. Now to ask, what is your religion? In English we say what is your religion. In Kannada we say ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಯಾವ ಧರ್ಮ, ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಯಾವ ಧರ್ಮ. In Hindi we say आपका धर्म क्या है. Okay, and in Indonesian language we say agama kamu apa. Agama kamu apa. Agama means religion in Bahasa Indonesia. So in English we say what is your religion. In Kannada we say निम्दु याव धर्म. In Hindi we say आपका धर्म क्या है. And in Indonesian language we say agama anda or agama kamu apa. Moving on to the next. What's your favorite food? To say what's your favorite food, I'll just say in one go. Okay, so what's your favorite food? In Kannada you can say ನಿಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟವಾಗಿರೋ ತಿಂಡಿ ಏನು. एंड इन हिंदी वी से आपका सबसे प्रिय खाना क्या है, या फिर आपका सबसे प्रिय खाना कौन सा खाना है. ऐसा कौन सा चीज़ है, ऐसा कौन सा खाने की चीज़ है जो आपको सबसे प्रिय है. And now speaking in Kannada, Kannada already told you. In Indonesian language, kamu suka makan apa. Kamu suka makan apa. Or when you're speaking to someone who is elder to you, anda suka makan apa. Okay, so this means what do you like to eat, what's your favorite food. Kamu or anda suka makan apa, or kamu suka makan apa. Now to say it's raining heavily today. Okay, it's raining heavily today. In Kannada we say ಇವತ್ತು ತುಂಬ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಮಳೆ ಹುಯ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ತುಂಬ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಮಳೆ ಹುಯ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ರೇನಿಂಗ್ ಹೆವಿಲಿ ಟುಡೇ. ಇನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಿ ಸೇ ಇವತ್ತು ತುಂಬ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಮಳೆ ಹುಯ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. इन हिंदी वी से आज ज़ोर से बारिश हो रहा है. एंड इन इंडोनेशियन लैंग्वेज वी से हरीनी उजान सकाली, which means there is too much of rain today, or it's heavy rain today, or it's raining heavily today. In Indonesian language, which means in Bahasa Indonesia, we say hari ini ujan sekali. Ujan means rain. Hari ini ujan sekali. Sekali means like too much. Hari ini ujan sekali. Okay, so it's raining heavily today. In Kannada we say ಇವತ್ತು ತುಂಬ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಮಳೆ ಹುಯ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ತುಂಬ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಮಳೆ ಹುಯ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. इन हिंदी आज ज़ोर से बारिश हो रहा है. एंड इन भाषा इंडोनेशिया hari ini ujan sekali. Okay, next, what is your favorite animal. Okay, how to say what is your favorite animal. In Kannada we say ninge or ninge or nimge. Okay, always remember this. Ninge is for people younger or same age as you, and nimge, nimge, nimge means for people who are elder to you. Okay, now how to say what is your favorite animal. In Kannada we say ninge or nimge ಯಾವ ಪ್ರಾಣಿ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ. ನಿಮಗೆ or ನಿಂಗೆ ಯಾವ ಪ್ರಾಣಿ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ. Okay, prani is animal as you all know. Ishta means like. So what is your favorite animal. In Kannada we say ninge or nimge ಯಾವ ಪ್ರಾಣಿ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ. And in Hindi we say आपका सबसे प्रिय जानवर कौन सा है? आपका या तुम्हारा तुम्हारा सबसे प्रिय जानवर या तुम्हारा सबसे प्रिय पशु कौन सा है या कौन सी है? In Indonesian language, you say, binatang apa kamu suka sekali? Okay, binatang means animal in bahasa Indonesia. Binatang apa kamu suka sekali? What is your favorite animal? Binatang apa kamu suka sekali? What is your favorite animal, or which animal do you love so much? Okay, one more time. Binatang apa kamu suka sekali? Okay. Now, moving on to the next statement. What is your body weight? What is your body weight? In Kannada we say, ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಶರೀರದ್ದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಭಾರ? ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಆರ್ ನಿಂದು ಶರೀರದ್ದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಭಾರ? ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಮ್ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಈವನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ದ ವರ್ಡ್ ವೇಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಶರೀರದ್ದು ಎಷ್ಟು ವೇಟು, ಆರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ವೇಟು ನಿಮಗೆ, ಆರ್ ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಶರೀರದ್ದು ಭಾರ ಎಷ್ಟು. You can say all these things, all these statements to say what is your body weight in Kannada. Okay? ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಭಾರ ಎಷ್ಟು, ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಶರೀರದ್ದು ಭಾರ ಎಷ್ಟು, ಆರ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಶರೀರದ್ದು ವೇಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ. एंड नाउ कमिंग टू हिंदी. आपका शरीर का वजन कितने हैं? आपका या तुम्हारा शरीर का वजन कितने हैं? And in Indonesian language we say berat lu berapa. Okay, berat lu berapa, which it means what is your body weight. Okay, berat means weight. Okay, lu means like it is like kamu. Lu is the short form for kamu in bahasa Indonesia, and berapa means how much. So berat lu berapa, what is your body weight? Berat lu berapa, berat lu berapa. This is in bahasa Indonesia, which means what is your body weight. Now what else can I say? What else? Okay, when you talk about, let's say, names of animals, in English we say tiger. In Kannada we say huli. Okay, English it's tiger, Kannada we say huli. In Hindi we say bhag. You know, it's that big b. You have that b and bh. So bhag. In English it is tiger. In Kannada it is huli. In Hindi it is bhag. And in Bahasa Indonesia it is called harimau. So tiger is called harimau in Bahasa Indonesia. Harimau. Harimau means tiger in Bahasa Indonesia. To say lion, English it's lion. In Kannada we say simha. Simha. In Hindi we say sher or sinha. In Kannada we say simha. S-I-M-H-A. Simha. In Hindi we can say sher. The most common word we say is sher. Sher or sinha. Sinha or sher. In Bahasa Indonesia we say singa. S-I-N-G-A. Singa. So in English it is lion. Okay, L-I-O-N, lion. In Kannada it is simha. In Hindi it is either sher or even sinha. And in Bahasa Indonesia it is called singa. Singa. Singa means lion. Now bear. how to say bear, the animal bear. In English it is bear. In Kannada we say karadi, 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 bear, karadi, and in Hindi we say bhalu, okay, bhalu, and in Bahasa Indonesia we say baruang, baruang, baruang. It means bear. The animal in English it is bear. In Kannada we say for bear karadi, karadi. In Hindi we say bhalu, okay, bhalu, and in Indonesian language we say baruang, baruang. And next, what else? If you want to say elephant, in English it is elephant. In Kannada you say ane, okay, ane, A-A-N-E, ane, elephant, ane, and in Hindi we say, as you all know, hathi, and in Bahasa Indonesia we say gajah, Gajah, gajah. In English it is elephant. In Kannada we say ane. In Hindi we say hathi. And in Indonesian language, which is Bahasa Indonesia, we say gajah. And now, finally, okay, I'll move on to just few more sentences and then I'll just end the video. Okay, now to say, it's time to do prayers. Okay, it's time to do prayers. Prayer time. Okay, in Kannada we say ಸಾಮಾಯಿಕ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಸಮಯ ಬಂತು, ಸಾಮಾಯಿಕ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಸಮಯ ಬಂತು. In Hindi we say puja is what we do in the morning. I'm talking about prayer, okay, prayer. So प्रार्थना करने के लिए वक्त हो गया. Okay, प्रार्थना करने के लिए वक्त हो गया. It means it's time to do prayers, okay, prayer time. And in Bahasa Indonesia we say sekarang waktu untuk sembahyang. Sekarang waktu untuk sembahyang. Sembahyang means prayer. You can also say doa, D-O-A, doa. Sembahyang means prayer. Doa means like, it's also like, you know, another word for prayer in Bahasa Indonesia. So sekarang means now, waktu means time, and untuk means for. So sekarang waktu untuk sembahyang or sekarang waktu untuk doa. It means now it is time to do prayers in Bahasa Indonesia. Okay, so I'll just go ahead with two more sentences and then I'll end the video. So what else can I say? I am so happy today. If you want to say I am so happy today, in Kannada we say ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸಾರಿ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಮೈ ಹೇರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಟುಡೇ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಇನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ. ಇನ್ ಹಿಂದಿ ವಿ ಸೇ ಆಜ್ ಮೈ ಬಹುತ್ ಖುಷ್ ಹೂँ. आज मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. And in Bahasa Indonesia we say hari ini saya senang sekali. Hari ini saya senang sekali. So hari ini means today, saya means me, senang means happy, and sekali means very much, as I told you. So I am very happy today. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. आज मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. And finally in Bahasa Indonesia, hari ini saya senang sekali. Hari ini saya senang sekali. And now last but not the least, wish you all a happy new year. In English we say wish you all a happy new year. In Kannada we say ಹೊಸ ವರ್ಷದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಹೊಸ ವರ್ಷದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. In Hindi we say नया साल मुबारक हो. नया साल मुबारक हो. In Bahasa Indonesia we say Selamat Tahun Baru. Selamat Tahun Baru. Okay, so it means Happy New Year. See, for happy you can say senang as well, but when you wish Happy New Year in Bahasa Indonesia, you say Selamat. Selamat Tahun Baru. Okay, so one last time, wish you all a Happy New Year. In Kannada we say ಹೊಸ ವರ್ಷದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. In Hindi we say नया साल मुबारक हो. And finally in Indonesian language, Bahasa Indonesia, Selamat Tahun Baru. So that's it guys. So this was just actually a casual video on saying few words and few sentences in all the 4 languages which I can speak. So that's it guys. So I'll catch you up soon with more interesting topics in my next video. So please keep watching my video, like, share, and please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you guys. I'll see you soon. Have a nice day and goodbye for now.